Yes, people, I'm back again. Mill Life TV, people. So today, we're in a Ank kitchen. Yes, me I say, Ank gonna prepare some wonderful food. Yes, me I say, so Ank, talk to the people, them.
Yeah, man. Big up Mill Live TV. We in the kitchen here deal with some food right now. So the Sunday dinner is there, catch rice and peas, original, round kidney
See
bean.
that.
Round kidney bean, my line up.
Yeah, man.
Soaking it and ready for put on right now on the fire with some coconut milk.
Garlic night.
Garlic and pimento and them line up in it, everything. Go and soak it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's my style. So my chicken I soak and up on my vinegar right now. I'm ready. Chicken pan the vinegar.
Eat the people.
Soak out for line up. Brown stew style.
Oh, man.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Right now, ox out.
Yeah, man.
Put in on my blender style. So we're ready for go and deal with it. So we can put on this pan the fire right away and make it more set. You go and take fire.
Go and take.
Meanwhile.
Eat the people. Eat on a pot.
Yeah.
Soon as the water bubble up.
Line up with coconut and we rest of things in it for right now.
Eat that, man.
So I we are set up right now. We have a salad ready to make with the little things on the side.
Everything.
So then in the kitchen I try during a Sunday dinner.
Okay, so.
So we are lining up with coconut right now for you.
Okay, so what kind of style I give them today? We have the sunny fried chicken, we have the brown stew chicken.
I give them some brown stew chicken.
Okay.
Original.
Original.
Sunday style now fried. Ox now with some coconut.
People. Ox coconut, you know. I want to get a good view right. You see me, real Jamaican style. You see me I say?
You want it?
Yes, people see it there. Coconut. Yeah, man, like that, people. See it there. Coconut in shell. Coconut out of shell, people. See it there. Coconut are cut up, you know. We're going to the blender. With the rich coconut milk. Yeah, man. Jamaican style.
Right,
International.
coconut ready and now blender up.
Yeah, man, people. Coconut.
1, 2, 3.
Coconut in a blender. Ready to spin.
Squeeze him it back from here. Squeeze him it out, you know.
True, man. Yes, people have it here, you know. In Ank kitchen. I want to see it.
Yeah.
I want to see this on Mill Life TV, people.
Mill Live TV with the pan today
Yeah,
and
man.
Sunday. Yeah. Lining up, you see it?
Yeah, man. The people just like and share and subscribe. It's me I say.
Mill Live
Yeah,
TV.
man.
Chicken and
Yes, people see it, yeah. Chicken. You know. Brown stew.
yes, we have clean up now for the Sunday.
Brown stew style.
Yeah.
Alright. The people. This is how Ank do it in Ank kitchen, right?
And kitchens.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, this is the meat. Put
Chop up meat, you know.
some light on the galaxy. Sunday style.
Sunday style, people.
Brown stew.
Rice and peas.
Rinse him. Broccoli. Rinse him. Broccoli.
Yeah, man. People. Chicken.
Yeah, rinse the chicken, vinegar, water wash up, get the final rinsing, you know. Final rinse off, you know, to season up, you know. Get rid of them water, you know. Boom. That's it. Sprinkle some cayenne pepper, see if it's good for my health and my chicken. Run back my little black pepper pan it same way.
The people.
Natural, all purpose. Put him pan him up.
Up there.
Same garlic powder.
Pour it again.
Original garlic powder we put on it. Like all purpose season. We put back the garlic and out to a natural garlic. And I left for natural
Cook it
garlic.
up, garlic.
You have to blend up with natural garlic, you know. Yeah.
Yes, people. Eat the garlic.
Red garlic, you know. Cut him up fine, pan him same way.
Fine.
Many way we burn it all in the oil too.
Garlic.
Yeah, man. Right now,
Yeah.
a pot you know we have a line up the pot for the chicken. Rice and peas, the peas are go and boil, see we are going to drop the more coconut milk on top of pot, yeah. Make it go and simmer down.
Simmer
to
down.
The final, you know. Coconut milk and right down, you know. Yeah, save back some to put in my chicken to eat the flavor. Save back some to put in the chicken. So, I carry the rice and peas and now to build it now.
So,
That boil out this hot.
start again.
Boil out.
Say it again.
Natural garlic still me burn it in my oil when I put the brown stew chicken in, you know. Get the same flavor again. Garlic. Go and cook it, the oil of the islands, you know.
Garlic is one fire night, that's many people.
Yeah.
That's how we do it in Jamaica. And that's what Uncle do it in Hang Kitchen. Right?
I'm kitchen line up there now.
Yeah, man.
It could brown and I go get to put on this chicken, you know. If you move by him. Brown and brown now too. Let me smooth there. I'm kitchen there, you know.
Hang Kitchen people. Eat there. You want to see things like this on Mill TV people.
Yeah, chicken this is line up perfect. They go on. I'll add there now. Throw in this now to get the color. Let me get the seeds and then pan them after. No problem. Natural, watch out.
Natural
you know.
season. Not eat the people. Natural season.
Pepper go pan it on them there. Yeah, man. See it there.
No, carry down a little bit. Yeah. You can get the hang of it and everything.
I wash off them and wash rinse out
Man,
them
I was the
pepper.
people so do it in anti. If I say water upon everything.
Put my time pan them, you know.
Man.
Cut up the pepper.
Good was catch my pepper people. Go upon meat.
See it.
You see me? I'm telling you, say, anyway, say, time it is skeleton, so skeleton soon roll in.
Yeah, man. Right thing them, the flavor, you know.
Yeah, man.
Then you have the season, where the scent up in line. I put this a skeleton and store him up.
Eat up even, I'm telling you, man. And the time the skeleton did the man.
Yeah. Wash off the skeleton and all. Cut up some skeleton because the pot of the top you now to put in the chicken. So you don't know you have to put because this in it to get the flavor
Eat the
in
people.
the chicken, you know. Yeah. So we deal with it, you know.
Yeah, man.
Fast and quick.
Brown stew style, you know, people.
Oil get at you now, so they see the oil will get at you now. We have to go cool it down some of the chicken then. Do style it. Chicken them are cool it down now. All back the chicken them from you. Take off there now. Burn the chicken them are burn, you know.
The people have it here. The people.
Yeah.
And cheese is good.
Roll it out and go on and take the color, you know.
Brown stew chicken people.
And go and take some color. That's cool on it now. Yeah. One.
Yeah, people.
Head to the brown chicken, you know.
Yeah, man. So I put in sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper, you know. I cut up.
Okay.
Wash one tomato. Up on him. Red tomato,
Red
yeah.
tomato. The people.
All of them they are cut up for the brown stew chicken, you know. Season for the chicken, this cooking down. So my chicken cooked down, rich.
Rich.
Only for protein. Sweet pepper more. Balance out the diet, you know.
That me
Sweet
know, come on.
pepper, you know.
Lot of veg, you know.
Green and ripe, you know. Ice gold and green, me I give them in a right now.
Oh, the God.
Down to chicken season.
The people. Good there. Very pretty.
Irish have in it everything.
Good there, people. My season. Next season them in people. It's nice for meat. You're Irish.
Yeah, I deal with the Irish, I know.
Yeah, man.
Irish, I cut up funny everything, you know.
Everything. The people. Oh, look.
Yes, people, see that?
Water for the people. We say so we do it, you know. Water for everything.
Yeah, carrot now.
Carrot time, people. Carrot good for the high people, you know what I say? You want,
Thing in the pot like vegetable, you know.
you want 2024 vision? Yeah. Eat that.
Yes.
I eat that. Carrot. Yeah, man.
Carrot pan them, you know.
Eat enough carrot and drink enough carrot juice.
Yeah, man.
Get 2020 vision, people. Yeah, man. People, top style like it, people. You know what I say?
So me prepare my Sunday
Yeah,
dinner,
man.
man. That's the way, you know.
Yeah, man.
Then I feel the dog something, you know. So it's a nice kitchen there and the people. Get some color on them. Take out the color. Take some color.
I want some color.
Yeah.
The people like it all details.
Let it go and color down there. Yeah. Rice and peas, that.
Rice and peas.
I check here now.
Bubble.
So it look here now. Take out the grater then outside. It's ready here now.
Ready for rice, you know.
Yeah. So don't wash the rice now.
You know, and I put in rice. Yeah, you know what? I'm start it.
Rice in a pot and now everything up. See the rice and peas are going on now.
Some peas.
Cover him down, make him go and simmer.
Mm.
Miss look like, but still the vanish to the food a bubble.
True, man. I want to see, I prepare some vegetable.
Yeah,
Lettuce.
lettuce, tomato, have the tomato. Oh. Slice up 2 slices of tomato and now. Nice and now cut. So we are doing it for the Sunday, you know.
Vegetable for the side people, you know.
Prepare a vegetable. Decoration down. Yeah. And why we set me a cucumber, you know. Yeah, I'm going with cucumber if I can't find.
Cucumber people.
Cucumber, yeah. Rice and
Peas,
peas.
yeah, rice and peas.
Yeah, man, I have to make it go on, you know?
People.
Oh, you know. Yeah. Yeah.
Like that one.
Name that there's now I simmer down to gravy. All back the brown stew chicken and now make una see say it have a dead color. You know, the white chicken too much, you have make it catch color.
Brown stew people.
Color we are catching on him, you know? Color we are catch up in him, you know? See,
Yeah, man, feed the people.
Sunday dinner style this, you know?
Rice and peas.
Fresh out of the pot.
Scotch bonnet at people.
Yeah, take it out of the fire then. We'll put the seed in. Yeah. So the rice and peas come out.
You have it people in our kitchen.
Yeah.
You know?
And kitchen up.
Our kitchen people. Rice and peas, you know?
Yeah. Up we say, you know.
Touch on it.
Plant, you know.
Yeah, man. Feed the people.
Decoration of some plant we have there.
Feed the people. Anchor at work.
Yeah. Have the lettuce and tomato now we have doing this on the side.
Little thing, you know?
Yeah. Some lettuce and tomato, you know. Some lettuce and tomato we have done this.
Yeah, man, feed the people. Anchor at work, you know?
First Sunday dinner this.
That people.
Alright. Yeah, just finalize everything, you know.
Yeah, man. The people.
On kitchen right now we have set up some meal right now for the Sunday dinner. Sunday dinner right now with the pan right here, so. So he set on the Sunday, yeah. Sunday dinner anchor line up right here, so you know.
That people. man. Uncut work. Yeah, people, quality food.
Sunday dinner
Quality
style.
food, people.
What's up to
Quality
baby?
food, people.
Yeah. Should have a bit of something before the juice. So before the juice and put it aside and you just put it in the juice.
All the details I want. Yes, people, see it there? Natural
Beetroot,
beetroot,
carrot and
carrot
ginger.
juice, people. See it, the people.
So you're looking at the glass.
See it, the people. Sell off, people. Eat the one.
Sunday style.